Hello everyone. So if you want to count steps on the Samsung phone, here's how to do that. First of all, we gotta locate our Samsung Health application. It's pre-installed, so it's 100% on your device. Simply go through it and try to find it. If you cannot see it, then it should be in some folder. There it is. So press start. And you may need to give all the necessary permissions first. So let's agree with all the privacy notice. Press next. Give it some time to load everything up, of course. So those are permissions. As you see, there are many of them. Go through them and decide if you want to give those. Press continue. Press allow. Press allow. Now choose what you want to be focused on. For example, I want to be focused on exercising. Press next. We're all set. Press start. Press agree. We need to give the location permissions. Once again, press settings. Allow permission. Let's go back. So this is a list of our different activities. So in order to go to steps, we gotta locate our step section. There it is, steps. So basically, that is it. The more you walk, the more activity you will have. It's divided by days, months, and so on and so forth. So you can see active time, calories, total burning calories, the whole steps, motion, and more and more and more of different things, which I recommend you to go through and understand what you need. It's even have a water count, which is great, to be honest. And basically that is it. I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.